Medina trips in Marrakech, Morocco, and I am just going to wander around the Medina, the inner part of the city, the markets, and just show you what it's like here on an early January 2026 day. Medina trips, Morocco.
Les gens ils prennent ce qui est à eux.
I believe Marrakech is going to be a cacophony of sounds and smells and sights, and I'm going to try to convey that through this video today. Not going to talk much about the different places. Maybe I'll label them in the film, but starting out here at the Koutoubia Gardens. Let's enjoy the day together.
Io devo fare la pipì. In a wool, you make the color for pigment.
Mustafa is showing me the way.
Look, the dyer's market. The Berber people, you bring the color for pigment. Ship wool, you make carpet, cotton, cactus silk. You bring it scarf. Come to see, look, the workshop.
So Mustafa is showing me a little bit here in the Souk.
This is the dye. Salam alaikum.
Salam.
Salam. The Berber.
Salam is hello.
Yeah.
Salam.
You have explication. See you, bro.
This is the dyer's market.
Thanks to Mustafa, it directed me to learn a little bit about the dyeing and the
Good visit,
separate.
bro. Good.
Yeah, he's still here. Mustafa's going to show me some of his herbs, as he says, herbs. Of course, in the end, Mustafa took me to his father's herb shop. Yes, he was very nice. The father, argan oil. I learned about that already before, and the other herbs. And then, as I declined to buy anything, he tried to extort some money out of me for the association, he called it, for the shopping areas. It's always that way. You talk to someone a little bit and they try to pull you in and somehow get some money out of you. It's their business, trying to make money. I think it actually was raining a little bit. Can't feel it here in the market. It's getting busier and busier around the noontime hour. It's kind of nice to come out in the daylight more again. Yusuf Square. Still breezy out. Museum entry, but that's not where I'm going to go today. Kind of heading back into Souk a little more now. Got a little bit off my route, but yeah, I'm just wandering around, loosely following a suggested route to explore the different parts of the market here in the Medina, Marrakech. So many interesting sights and sounds and smells. It can be a bit overwhelming at times, all the activity and motorbikes, narrow areas, exhilarating and suffocating at the same time. Almost like a little relief sometimes to get back into the open area. They're quiet here. More or less completing the Medina walking tour. I'm going to do a bicycle tour later today, so I'll probably do a separate video. The Marrakech Bike Tour. Fascinating place. Hope you enjoy the sights and sounds. Team trips, Marrakech, Morocco. It's time for some more video footage. This is pedestrian area outside of the, well, the Souk area. It's, I guess, still the Medina area. Anyways, it's a lot more open and spread out compared to the narrow alleys. Less activity, similar shops, maybe more places to eat here. A little more modern items for sale too. Continuing towards the bicycle. Continuing towards the bicycle tour starting point. More fascinating areas. More modern, newer. Looks like some good restaurants. Touristy looking. Guess my weather forecast was a little bit off about the wind dying down around 12 o'clock. It's well after 12. It's going after 1 o'clock. Like any place, cities and places where it's really old, there's going to be lots of construction. Lots of rebuilding, new things going up, old things being repaired. The difference here. Lots of places to eat here. Alright, team trips in Marrakech, Morocco. Gonna do a bicycle tour in a little bit, finding the spot here where it starts. Marrakech green wheels. That's it.